Hello guys. Oh god, I almost fell off balance. I want to talk to you guys about the channel, and I want to talk to you guys about video, talk to you about what I've been doing and stuff. And I'm gonna tell you something. It's not been being on this channel. Why I disappeared, if you care, is I used to work full time at Chipotle. Day in, day out, full time. Breaking my back on the grill, trying to get a promotion. And that didn't really work out. Kind of hated that job if I really want to be honest. I got paid $9 an hour, and after a whole year of working there, I got $9.25. Whoa. And while I was working there, busting my cheeks every single day, I still couldn't afford to get what I wanted. And I wanted a lot of stuff, but just trying to afford a car. And I am kind of picky, and I do have high expectations, but I did want a Mustang GT around the 2011-2012 year. I mean, not the newest Mustang, but nothing too crazy, nothing too cheap either. And I wanted to spend about $11,000 to $17,000 on a car, and I did the math, and basically, if I worked full time, more than 60% of my income would go to that car. And thinking about that, that's no good, because what if I want to freaking eat, or what if my arm falls off? How am I gonna pay for that? So I had to just think outside the box. And I had the courage to quit, because the consistent money from working at a 9 to 5 is beautiful. Beautiful. You know what you're going to get. But I took adventure and I quit that job, and I tried to become self-employed. And obviously, not even obviously, but you could probably assume that I'm being my own boss, and I'm running my own video production company called Cloud9 Cinema. I used to. And honestly, quitting that job is difficult. Opening your own business is difficult. But I think it was overall the much smarter thing to do. And the first month right after I quit Chipotle, I made the same amount of money starting off with my videos as I did working my full-time job, except I get to work when I wanted to work, kind of, and work with who I wanted to work with, kind of. So just knowing that I know when I have to work, what I have to do, and how I could schedule my own time is just, I feel more grown up. I feel more mature. But not everybody can do what I did. I'm not even saying because I'm amazing, but because sometimes you really do need that consistent pay. And I rely on a lot of things to do this. Like I have nowhere to live. If you don't have nowhere to live, no Wi-Fi, no internet, and no money saved up. Like if you're always paying something off, you're always paying bills, you can't afford to save up and get a computer like I did, which was kind of a little bit excessive. But I'm not really even talking about, I am talking about what I've been going through. It's more of a informal type of video. I'm not gonna really spend too much time editing this. I started my own video production company. I've been collaborating with other creators, and it's been very valuable. And the only thing that's holding me back is my own work ethic, because when I was in high school, I kind of hated school. I already knew I wasn't gonna be doing a 9 to 5 job. I had to put my creativity to use, because it would keep me up at night knowing I never tried. So I tried, and it's, like I said, difficult, but it's not that difficult. I'm making it difficult because I'm not working hard enough. I'm over here playing PUBG all day. and I could be making money instead of playing PUBG. But I love that game, man. It's amazing. But I mean, I'm not being a complete waste of time, because I was able to make money when I need to make money, and I did save up a whole bunch of money from working, and I've coasted off of that for a minute. But I love doing what I do, and I get to put my vision onto, because I'm not that good at talking. You could probably tell I can just talk in a whole bunch of accents, but I'm not that good at talking. I'm not that good at writing. But one thing I can do is I can make a video and explain and put my mind and transmit my ideas the most clearest through video. A lot of people can't do that. A lot of people can write though. A lot of people can talk, but I'm kind of crippled, kind of. So that's what I've been up to. And if you want to run a music video company, you do have to work hard. There's no getting out of it. And if you want to be successful in anything, you got to work hard. You got to work every single day. And you got to be really committed to becoming excellent. I heard someone at my door. I got scared. So, yeah, this is just my little journal. And we're going to see where life takes me. I don't know what's going to be in the future, but I see myself getting a car. And